Hi, I'm Mayerlin, an ESL language instructor. Today I'm going to teach you how to ask and answer yes and no questions about yourself, your family and your friends. Yes and no questions son preguntas que, como su nombre lo indica, se responden con yes or no y se usan para confirmar o negar algo. To ask yes and no questions in the present tense, use do or does. Here are some examples. Do you like pizza? To answer positively, say, yes, I do. To answer negatively, say, no, I don't. Does your brother play soccer? The positive answer would be, yes, he does. And the negative answer would be, no, he doesn't. To ask about the past, use did. For example, did your friends go to the party? If your answer is positive, say, yes, they did. But if your answer is negative, say, no, they didn't. The verb to be is also used in yes and no questions in the present tense, such as, is your sister studying now? For a positive response, say, yes, she is. For a negative response, say, no, she isn't. Are your friends at school? The affirmative response would be, yes, they are. And the negative response would be, no, they aren't. The verb to be can also be used in the past tense. For example, was it sunny yesterday? Possible answers are, yes, it was, or no, it wasn't. Finally, in a question like, were your parents happy with the news? The answers would be, yes, they were, or no, they weren't. For more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us, and until the next lesson.